Understanding infant nutrition, nourishing the next generation. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we delve into the fascinating world of infant nutrition, exploring the essential nutritional needs of infants and young children. Join us as we discuss the critical importance of breastfeeding and/or formula feeding in providing the best start in life for our little ones. Hello and welcome to our channel. I'm Dr. Arthur, and today we're diving into the fundamentals of infant nutrition. The first years of a child's life are crucial for their growth and development, and proper nutrition plays a key role in laying the foundation for a healthy future. Infants have unique nutritional needs that differ from older children and adults. During the first 6 months of life, breast milk or infant formula provides all the nutrients necessary for growth and development. Let's explore why breastfeeding and formula feeding are both essential components of infant nutrition. Breastfeeding is often referred to as the gold standard of infant nutrition. It provides the ideal balance of nutrients and antibodies that help protect against infections and diseases. Breast milk is easily digestible and perfectly tailored to meet the changing needs of a growing baby. However, we understand that breastfeeding is not always possible for every family. That's where formula feeding steps in. Infant formula is specially formulated to mimic the composition of breast milk, providing essential nutrients such as protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Whether breastfeeding or formula feeding, it's essential to ensure that infants receive proper nutrition to support their rapid growth and development. As babies grow and their nutritional needs evolve, introducing solid foods becomes an important milestone in their journey towards independent eating. In summary, understanding the nutritional needs of infants and young children is crucial for promoting optimal health and well-being. Breastfeeding and formula feeding play integral roles in meeting these needs, providing babies with the best possible start in life. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the fascinating world of infant nutrition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.